It's it's very important to teach your children to speak English at a right age. And here is step 1, how I made my 3 years old child speaking in English. The first step, introduce your child every word in English only. From the day he start speak his first word. I did the same. Instead of doodh, you can ask your child to say milk and they will start to say milk chahiye. Then with the age, the milk chahiye will be converted soon into I want milk. And with the time and increasing knowledge and vocabulary, it will be converted into I would like to have some milk. And in this way, the child will be accustomed to speak English. Let's start an activity. Okay, so I'll show you one thing and you will tell me the name. Okay. Okay, tell me, what is this?
Comb. This is comb.
What is this?
This is Caesar. Cut.
This is Caesar. Put it aside. What is this?
This is Simone.
Show na, show. I'll tell the name louder.
This is Simone.
Okay. Now what is this?
This is dog.
Look, show me. And tell the name louder.
This is love.
Okay, what is this?
This is hammer.
Hammer. Okay, now give me. What is this?
This is some ginger.
This is ginger.
Yeah.
Give me back. Okay. Now what is this?
This is nice.
Cut. What is this? This?
This is onion.
Onion. Show. What is this?
This is onion.
Put it back. Now what is this?
This is key mine.
Show.
This is my key.
Key. Okay, now what is this?
This is four.
Louder.
This is four.
Put back. Okay. What is this?
This is board.
Watch. And what it?
This is broken.
Yes, this is broken watch. Put it back.
This is
What is this?
Gandhi.
Show me. Louder.
This is Daddy.
Put it aside. Okay, now tell me, what are these?
This is so many No.
This is so many.
Their food.
What are these?
This is so many. Their food. Mine.
Whose drive is this?
This is nail.
Nail. Okay.
This is for me. Mango. I like this mango. This is center.
This is? What is? Sanitizer. Okay, now sanitize your hand. Show me. Then what we do? Rub our hands. What are you doing?
I have center in my hand.
What are you doing?
I'm center in my hand.
You're sanitizing your hands. Okay. And what is this?
This is
Duster. Good. Okay. What is this?
This is a dirty bowl.
This is dirty bowl. Okay. I'll wash it for you. And what is this?
This is no dirty basket. This is basket.
This is basket. What is the color of this basket?
This is blue color basket.
This is blue color basket. Okay. Now I'll ask the same things again.
This is color board. This is mango. This is fork. This is spoon. This is scissors. This is onion. Come.
Properly. Don't pick this up. What is this?
This is key.
This.
This is ginger.
This.
This is dog.
What is this?
This is key.
This.
This is ginger.
This.
This is dog.
This.
That.
This.
Knife. Ginger cut. This is onion. This is scissor. This is ginger. This is comb. This is mango. This is spoon. This is fork. This is kernel. This is wood. This is cardboard. This is Angela. This is basket. This is